Focusflight app deep focus timer takeoff into deep focus. App blocker. In a world full of distractions, Focusflight offers unique escape, transforming the way users approach focus and productivity. Seamlessly combine the thrill of aviation with the challenge of staying focused. Focusflight is not just an app-in experience. Personalized Focusflight mode, true text and focus data tracking, diverse focus categories, dynamic map and virtual flights, social focus reminders, exclusive focus achievements. So there you have the app. Focus in any scenario, take off to focus. And this is basically the app to block all other apps, I guess. So Focusflight turns every focus session into an exciting flight, guiding you into deep focus mode. So for example, focus boarding pass, focus history. So you can complete 20 more tasks during focus sessions, stay distraction free, increase your deep focus, build habits, and then choose your focus scenario. So here you have your desired focus time, airplane mode, and then that's just the idea. So for example, you can continue. So here you have it, but then it glitched out for some reason. So yep. Okay, so now it's reloading. Something happened there. I'm just showing you as it is. Choose your map style, and then here you have it, start journey. Use random location. And then this is your departure airport. So annual is $24, but here you have it. And then there is lifetime discount, $48. And then also like $15 or something. So then you can just start journey. And then you just select where you want to fly. Here, depending where you're flying, these these are like 30 minutes flights, then 40 minutes focus, then 50 minutes, and then for example, you have it, and then you book your flight, and then select like work. So really cool idea, right? So instead of just boring focus app, you have this, and then you kind of check in, and then your apps can be blocked. And then airplane mode. So you just select some kind of apps which are distracting you. And then just block them during this flight. So pretty cool idea. I really like the design. However, yeah, as you can see, the app is a bit glitchy. But yeah, that's basically it. So try it out.